Okay, back on day 13, we're going to do problem number 88 now. It says to find x and y if we have a matrix x, -2, 7y is equal to matrix -19, -2, 7, and 26. If we have two matrices, they can only be equal if they have the same dimensions. This one's a 2 by 2 matrix and this one's a 2 by 2, so that's okay. And as long as corresponding entries are the same. So see how -2, the top right entry, equals -2, the top right entry in the other matrix, and the bottom left 7 equals the bottom left. That means x has to equal the top left. It's the top left over here has to equal the top left over here. So x has to equal -19. And y is the bottom right, so it has to equal the bottom right over here. Y is 26. 19 and 20 is -19 and 26. That is answer D. Number 89 says to find A plus B and gives us two matrices, A and B. A is equal to 2, -2, 4, -2. And B is equal to 4, -2, -2, 8. When we add matrices, A plus B, they have to be the same dimension or we can't do it. And when we add matrices, we simply add corresponding entries and get the same a matrix of the same dimension. So since we have two 2 by 2 matrices, we're going to end up with a 2 by 2 matrix. To get the top left entry, we're going to do 2 plus 4 is 6. To get the top right entry, we're going to do -2 plus -2 is -4. To get the bottom left entry, we're going to get 4 plus -2 is 2. And to get the bottom right entry, we're going to get -2 plus 8 is 6. So 6, -4, 2, 6. And that's answer A. Number 90 says, if possible, find 3A plus 2B. So we have A equal -5, 1, 4, -4, 3, -1, and B equals -1, -3, -7, 6, -2, -5. When we multiply matrices times a constant, sometimes called a scalar, we just multiply every entry in that matrix by that constant. So we're going to get the matrix -15, 3, 12, -12, 9, -3, and 2b is going to multiply every entry in this matrix by 2, so we get -2, -6, -14, 12, -4, and -10. And to get 3a plus 2b, we simply add those matrices. So we're going to do corresponding entries again. Get -15 plus -2 makes -17. 3 plus -6 makes -3. 12 plus -14 makes -2. -12 plus 12 is 0. 9 plus -4 is 5. -3 plus -10 is -13. This is the matrix 3A plus 2B. That looks like answer E. And those are your problems for day 13.